Hello friends, welcome to Saho Studies. In this video, we are going to see how map key function works with map type column in PySpark. This map key function, what it will going to do, it will fetch all the keys which present in the map type column. In this exercise, first we are importing all the functions which present in pyspark.sql.types package. We are importing all the functions which present in pyspark.sql.function package. We are creating a list. In list we are creating three objects. One object is of a string type, another object is of dictionary type. This one. Here I am creating a custom data type. Custom data type I am creating with the help of a struct type and a struct field. With the help of a struct field, I am defining the columns and its data types. This is the AP full name and the data type is of string type. This is the AP marks column and it is of map type. And in the map, key is of string type and the value is of string type. With the help of a create data frame function, we are creating a data frame with the help of the list object which we have just created and the custom schema which we have just created. When this data frame gets created, we are selecting the columns. So how we are selecting the columns? We are selecting the columns with the help of a select function and we are passing all the columns names which we are going to select. So AP underscore full name underscore name, this is one of the column which I am selecting. Second is AP marks and third we are creating a column with the help of a map key. So map key is a function and it takes the column which is of map type. So this is our data frame and AP marks is a column which is of map type. So all the keys which is present in the AP underscore marks column will be fetched by map key function. When this data frame gets generated, we apply the show function to see all the data which is present in this data frame. I have also captured the output of the code which we have written above. So you can say you can see AP marks is a map type. So data is stored in the form of key and value. This is the key, this is the value, this is the key and this is the value. What map underscore key column contains, it contains all the keys which is present in the AP underscore map column. Here AP underscore science marks, AP underscore math marks. These are the two keys which present in this map column. Let's see how it works in Databricks. Let's create a notebook. Rename it map type with map key. First, let's import all the required libraries. Before importing the required library, let's connect this notebook with currently running cluster. from PySpark dot SQL dot types import all. From PySpark dot SQL dot functions, let's import all functions. Let's create a list. In this list, we have another object which is of dictionary type. And the value would be another object in the dictionary. Value would be string type. Let's copy this data to save time. Let's change the object values. Let's run it. This let's gets created successfully. Let's create custom schema. We are going to custom schema with the help of a struct type. We are going to define the name of the column and its data type with the help of a struct field. The data type is of string type. Let's create second column. It is of map type. In the map, key must be of string type and value must be of string. Let's run it. This custom schema gets created. Let's create a data frame with the help of a create data frame function. Spark dot create data frame by passing list which we have just created and the passing custom schema which we have just created. Let's see the schema of this data frame. We can see here this map column is of AP marks is of map type, key and value is of string type. Let's see the content. You can see this AP marks is of map type. It is storing data with the help of an object. This is nothing but the map and it has a key. AP underscore science underscore marks and AP underscore math underscore marks. These are the key. So we need to select these keys. So how we are going to do it? We are going to do it with the help of a map key function. Let's use the data frame and select it. Select the column. Column is AP full name. Second column would be, and third column we are creating with the help of a map key. From where we are fetching the keys. We are fetching the keys from AP underscore marks. So first let's put the data frame name. In the data frame, this AP marks is the map type column. Let's run it. This data frame gets created. Now display the content. You can see that this map key we have created, it is of array type and value of the array is the key which is present in this map AP underscore marks map key. So this is the key which is now populating in this column. This is the key which is populating in this column. Let's see the schema of this data frame which gets created. We can see this AP marks is of map type, key is of string type, the value is of string type. This map key underscore AP underscore mark, this is the column which is of array type, and the element which is present in the array type is of string type. We can able to visualize from here. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.